Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to turn off notification from your Google Chrome on desktop. Actually, it's really easy. What you have to do, you open your Google Chrome and then find this triple dot on the right upper and then click this settings, and then on the settings menu you can search for notification like this. Then you can find these side settings. After you can find these side settings, scroll down until you can find these notifications. As you can see, this is default behavior. You can turn off or don't allow sites to send any notification to your Google Chrome. So after that, you just click go back and then it will be saved automatically on your Google Chrome. As you can see, if I go back and then click again the notification, this up in still on this don't allow sites to send notification. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe to our channel, or you can just put thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.